how we can use ET200 SP in our project. Hello guys, we have a really exciting session and I want to explain how we can use ET200 SP, the last version of ET that Siemens offers us. Okay, here we have a topology. As you can see, I have a Scalance, I have a CPU, a S7-1200, and another ET200SP. As you can see, I just connected the PLC to a Scalance and the ET to a Scalance. Okay, this is the first step. We'll go to network view. As you can see, we have just a network. It's ET and the CPU. And as you can see, we have a connection and I assign the I/O controller to the ET. Okay, there's one important key and it's the IP addresses. The IP of the PLC, it must be in the same subnet, as you can see it's 100, as the ET is. Okay, let's check the ET. Okay, this is the ET and as you can see this is 100, so it's okay, they can communicate together. And another part, I want to show you that how we can use these small cards. As you can see, we have a white and gray. The white support the power supply for us for the next card. So this unit, it has the same potential. So for example, I have a current input, so just click on it and as you can see, for example, let's check all of them. Okay, this is a general, the potential, it said use potential group of the left module because it is dark base side. Okay, so let's go to AI, analog input, and here is the configuration. We have 4 channel. The first one, channel 0, I set it on 2-wire transducer because my sensor is 2-wire, but the other on the 4. And the measuring range is 4 to 20 milliamp, and the important one is the I/O address. It starts from 84. And all of input are here. You can work on them individually. So if I want to call channel 0, I know it starts from I word 84. And then the next one, I mean the channel 1, it would be IW86. And the channel 2, it would be I word 89, am I sure? And the last one, it would be I word 90. So let's go to OB1. In here, as you can see, I have I word 84. It goes to MW. So let's monitoring it. Okay, now I want to change the input current. As you can see, if I change it, I have it there. That's it. Okay, so come here and let's explain how it is work. This is a ET. As you can see, we have a special module here for the Ethernet, and I have the IM. It's the IM, and after that, I have analog input 8 channel for voltage and analog input 4 channel for current. Okay, this is a power supply of that. This is for IM 24. The red one is for positive and the blue one is for negative. And here is my analog input. But why it's here? Because if you focus here, it said if you have 4 wire, you should use 1 to 8, okay, terminal. And if you are using analog input 2 wire, you have to use 13, 14, 15, and 16. Okay, that's it. And this is a Scalance that I show you on topology. It's unmanaged and it doesn't have anything special, just the power supply of that. And this is my PLC, this is my HMI, this is the ET, and this is my computer. That's it. Okay, let's dispatch it.